Om Dhiraya Namaha.
Dhira. Dhira means? Huh? No, don't be shy. You can loudly tell. So Dhira means you have to say Swami Dhirananda. But he gave me that names to indicate that's my goal. That's my goal. So he is my goal. In Sanskrit, Gati means not only the goal but also the way. Both is called Gati. So he is my way and he is my goal. Dhira. So Dhira means there are many meanings. The Upanishad is the best meaning. The Upanishad, Kathopanishad declares, Kaschit Dhiraha Pratyagatmanam Aikshat Avrutta Chakshuhu Amritatvamichan. The beautiful verse in Kathopanishad. Who is Dhira? Kaschit Dhiraha means a rare, wise person. Pratyagatmanam Aikshat. He comes to experience the self within. How? Avrutta Chakshu. By withdrawing his entire senses, mind and intellect from the external stimuli. So who is Dhira? One who withdraws the senses, mind and intellect's attention from the external and yoke that attention unto the Pratyagatman, the innermost self, the subtlest, that which is within. So such a person who can withdraw the attention and then yoke that very same attention unto the subject, withdrawing from the objects and attaching that attention to the subject. Such a person is called Dhira. And he comes to recognize in himself, he comes to discover the self-divine. Thus Upanishad declares. In the Gita also we see, chapter 2, a Dhira is a person who has the power to endure. Endurance power. Yam hina vyathayanti ete purusham purusharshabha samadukha sukham dhiram. He is sama, same, balanced. Balanced in sukha and dukkha. Means he is balanced in pain and pleasure at the physical level, or heat and cold at the physical level. He is balanced in joys and sorrows at the mind level. He is balanced at the intellect level, the profit and loss, or honor and dishonor. So one who maintains the balance in all the vicissitudes of life. Such a person is called Dhira. Another meaning, one who is not provoked easily. If you refer the Sanskrit dictionary, Aptes dictionary, in that definition of Dhira is given. Vikara hetau sati vikriyante yesham na chetamsi ta eva dhiraha. Understood? If you have not understood, I am happy, because then only I can explain. So what is Dhira definition? Vikara hetau sati, even though there are disturbing situations around. Vikara hetau sati, even though disturbing situations around, like you. Yesham chetamsi, whose mind does not get disturbed. In spite of the disturbing situations around, one whose mind does not get disturbed, such people, te eva dhiraha, they are called as dhira purushas. They are called wise. So who are wise? In spite of the disturbing situation, one who is not disturbed, those who are not disturbed, they are called wise people. But those who get disturbed, they are called otherwise people. Isn't it? So that's how. And the etymology is dhyam rati iti dhira. Dhyam rati, one who can withdraw the attention from the objects. It's not that easy to withdraw the attention from all the objects. It's not. You do only in deep sleep. That is not. Consciously withdraw from all the objects and yoke that attention to the subject. Such person is called Dhira.
Om Dhiraya Namaha.